back in Western New York on football's biggest weekend. Heavy machinery and fans rushing to dig out Highmark Stadium here ahead of tonight's Bills game. Some fans braving the elements and getting here hours ahead of kickoff to dig out their tailgate spots.
We just get ready, got to dig out all the gear, and we knew it was coming eventually, so just got to get ready.
And George is joining us now from outside Highmark Stadium. George, the snow is still coming down, but the game is still on, right?
Yeah, that's right, Hallie. And we're deep in this tailgate zone. These fans spending hours trying to clear out about 2 feet of snow here from the stadium. Now, it's looking like that snow might taper off by kickoff, but that cold, yeah, that's sticking around. Hallie?
George Stolle, stay warm. Thank you.